Two billionaires, two money philosophies. Warren Buffett plays it safe. Elon Musk takes wild risks. One says, never day trade. The other, risk everything or fall behind. Who's right about money and who should you follow to grow rich? Let's find out. Welcome to LearnFX, your go-to channel for Forex trading tips, strategies, and real talk about money. Hit subscribe because today's video might change how you think about wealth forever.
1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion.
Warren Buffett, worth over $100 billion, built his fortune by playing the long game. His philosophy? Low risk, high discipline, no emotions. His golden rule? If you aren't willing to hold an asset for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. He hates day trading, calls it gambling, and trusts in the power of compounding. Buffett's strategy: invest, wait, win.
And you have some ownership in that company, then that essentially gives you the right to allocate more capital. So there's a conflation of consumption and capital allocation. So when we say Warren Buffett, for example, and to be totally frank, I'm not his biggest fan. But
what did he say?
When we say Warren Buffett, for example, and to be totally frank, I'm not his biggest fan. But
then there's Elon Musk, the billionaire disruptor. He bet his entire PayPal payout on Tesla and SpaceX. Musk's rule? Failure is an option. If things aren't failing, you're not innovating enough. He's all about speed, chaos, and massive risk. The same mindset some day traders live by. Musk's style? Move fast, break things, win big or lose everything. Buffett equals slow, safe billionaire. Musk equals fast, risky billionaire. In Forex trading, Buffett fans swing trade, analyze, and wait for the perfect setup. Musk-style traders? Scalp, react fast, and chase volatility. Both strategies can work, but which suits you better? Are you a calculated investor who plays the long game like Buffett? Or are you a risk taker ready to seize big wins? Musk style? Here's the truth. Both made billions, but their success came from understanding themselves. In trading, your mindset shapes your results, not just your strategy. So, who do you follow? Team Buffett, the patient planner, or Team Musk, the fearless risk taker? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see which side wins. Want more insights like this? Hit subscribe and check out this next video. Can AI beat human traders? The shocking results. You don't want to miss it.